Good morning, friends. It's morning time. The village you can see behind me, and I'll show you the skyline there. See the weather. Oh, beautiful. So lovely, fantastic. See, AQI level is so good. Pure air. रात सोने के लिए पंखे बंद करने पड़े और कंबल ओढ़ना पड़ा. It was fantastic. This trip to the village has been memorable. I met my old friends, childhood friends, and their grandchildren. और सब बहुत ही खुश थे. It was really a fantastic experience yesterday. I lived my life king size. Whether I can see, it's morning time. It's 6:10 in the morning. Beautiful, lovely. God bless you all.